How to create FNB online banking profile for PayPal. Follow these steps. Go to www.fnb.co.za and click Register. Select Register for PayPal for non-FNB customers if you don't have an FNB account. Enter your details and create a username and password. Verify your email and phone number with the OTP sent to you. Upload and email your FICA documents, ID and proof of address, to paypocket@fnb.co.za. Wait for FNB to verify and activate your profile. Log into FNB Online Banking, go to Forex PayPal Services, and click Link PayPal Profile. Follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account and start using it. Thanks for watching.